Hello viewers, in this segment we are going to see the poem The Grumble Family. It is a humorous poem about a grumbling family. This family will be always complaining even for silly things too. They are a type of family who finds fault with anything. Let me read the lines. There is a family nobody likes to meet. They live, it is said, on complaining street in the city of never or satisfied, the river of discontent beside. The beginning of the poem says that there is a family and nobody likes to meet them. Our poet humorically explains about their living environment. They are living in a street of complaining, in a city never satisfied, and beside a discontent river. They growl at that and they growl at this. Whatever comes, there is something amiss. And whether their station be high or humble, they are all known by the name of grumble. Whatever matter it is, for everything they will be complaining and grumbling. Their first instinct is to find out a complaint and grumble for everything. They will growl for everything. However, they will find out a fault in the things whatever they see. Whether they are in good position or not, still they find out fault and complain about that. So their family name has become as grumblers. The weather is always too hot or cold. Summer and winter alike they scold. Nothing goes right with the folks you meet down on that gloomy complaining street. That family complains about the climate too. They will complain if it is hot, same time they will complain if it is cold. Like this, they will scold summer season as well as they scold winter season too. To those people in the sad complaining streets, nothing will be seen good to their eyes, according to their eyes. They growl at the rain and they growl at the sun. In fact, their growling is never done. And if everything pleased them, there isn't a doubt, they would growl that they would nothing to grumble about. That family will grumble if it rains. They will grumble the same for sun heat also. To be frank, there is no end to their grumbling. They will not stop grumbling. If all the things are in good to them, still they grumble for not having any things to growl at. There is no need to doubt that they will have something not to grumble, because they will growl for each and everything. But the curious thing is that not one of the same can be brought to acknowledge his family name, for never a grumbler will own that he is connected with it at all, you see. The only strange thing in them is not one among them will accept that their family name is grumblers. They will show as if they don't have any connection with grumbling. The worst thing is that if anyone stays among them too long, he will learn their ways, and before he dreams of the terrible jumble, he is adopted into the family of grumble. The very worst thing is, if anybody stays for a long time with this grumble family, they will also learn the same from them. Before understanding the truth about them, they will adopt the same and change like them. And so it were wisest to keep our feet from wandering into complaining streets, and never to growl whatever we do, lest we be mistaken for grumblers too. So our poet instructs that not to roam around this complaining streets and to keep away the legs from that street. That is what wise than going there. Not only that, whatever we do, we should not grumble. Then the other people will think if we are grumbling, they will mistook that we are also like that grumble family. Let us learn to walk with a smile and a song, no matter if things do sometimes go wrong, and then be our station high or humble, we will never belong to the family of grumble. So our poet says that we should possess a smile and song always in our face. We should learn to be with smiley face anytime. Even if we find anything wrong in our life, we should not mind that. Though we are in good position or not, we should not belong to this grumble family. The poet conveys the audience not to be like this family. We should not grumble in our life whatever happens. Instead, we should move on with a smiley face. So that's all about this poem, and stay tuned with Learning Station for further videos.